Hey guys, what's going on? This is a model review of a Sword model. It's a Elliott Fuel and Lube on a Peterbilt 357 chassis. First off, before I show you the model, it is a coaxing livery, and it came in a two-piece styrene. I got it off eBay for a really good price, so I couldn't really pass it up. But here you go. There it is, coaxing colors. Um, Very good detail, highly detailed. Very little plastic on the model, which is nice. A lot of metal, and it, um, just did a really good job. As you can see, starting off with the chassis, with the back chassis, it does move up and down, and a lot of give, like a real truck would have, going over stuff or whatever. Suspension play, also. Um, Front doors do open. You have storage for chains or tools or whatever else you want to add to the model. There's an access ladder that folds up into the truck and folds down for access up into the bed. Fire extinguisher right there. There's one. There's another one just on the opposite side. This is your fuel tank for dispensing fuels to other vehicles. The lubricants and oil canisters are right here. There's one more. There's a very little one right there. I'm not sure what this is, but and then there's the pump. I don't know if that's for the lubricants or if that's just for the diesel fuel. I don't really know. Um, Also, there's a battery cover that does come off. Not very easily, but there it is. There's the batteries for the truck. Hood opens. Very good engine detail. You can see through the grate, as you see my finger coming in and out, whatever, which is really nice. It gives the truck a very good, realistic look. And the wheels do turn left to right, obvious, which are very nice. I don't know if all the Sword models have the grill cutout, but this one does. So that just makes them one step ahead of their competition, so to speak. Top of the fuel truck, where you would add more fuel from the refinery or whatever, opens up to receive fuel. There's a pick hook right there. There's two lights on each side for night. Um, what else? The back of the truck. You can see the fuel. You can put gas, the oils, and different lubes for the equipment. Um, the back door does slide up and down, which is nice, very smooth. Also made out of metal, which is very nice. I actually thought it was plastic when I first got it, but metal, which is a very nice touch. DOT stripping on the back. And up there, you have your license plate. It says Sword 07. And it says Elliott Fuel Trucks. Lights for the back of the truck. Warning lights. Two in the back, two in the front. Going around the vehicle, you see the pump, and in that, doors are kind of hard to open. Anyways, doors are very hard to open. Kind of frustrating actually. But let's see. Just for more storage or whatever. Maybe that's the fuel. There's a pump or something inside this one. You can hardly see it. But maybe that's for the fuel. And that's for the oils or whatever. Either way, pretty awesome. There's a fire extinguisher, the coaxing name, the flammable liquid symbol that is required to have on all the vehicles transporting flammable stuff or explosive, whatever. The wheels are a nice flat black. Pretty cool. Suspension, like I said, moves up and down. Very nice. Shot it under. Not too much. Just the normal stuff. Only has one stack. Like I said, the grill is see-through. Looks very nice. We'll show the engine again. So, pretty cool model. I don't know, nothing too much more to say about it. I got a really good price on it. I think I've already said that. Very happy with it. It's gonna make a nice piece to my collection. Also, I got some vinyl to cover the coaxing maybe. I haven't decided if I want to do that, but if I decide, there it is. I can cover it matching the color of the truck pretty good. That's about it. Alright.